why did my Prizepicks withdrawal fail? So here on the official website, you can read some of the reasons why your withdrawal request may have failed. Prizepicks has a one-time playthrough requirement, which means you need to play through all deposited funds once before withdrawing them. For example, if you deposit $25, you must submit and play through $25 worth of lineups before you can withdraw. Lineups must be submitted using credit funds, not promo funds, in order to count towards your playthrough requirement. Another reason why your withdrawal might fail is inaccurate bank account information. This can cause withdrawal requests to fail. Withdrawals can only be made using an approved payment method that you previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account, so this is very important. Withdrawals have a minimum amount of $10. Any smaller request will fail. And only one successful withdrawal is permitted during a 24-hour time frame. If your withdrawal request is processed at 2 p.m., you will not be able to make another request until 2:01 p.m. the following day. I hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.